Hey, what's up guys? 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm going to show you how to reset your oil light. So what you want to do, you're going to be using these arrow buttons right here with the OK button. And then we're going to be up here. Let me get closer to this dash. Okay, so, come on. Let me get the zoom right. Alright, so you're going to push the bottom arrow with your left hand. Go to the car. Now, see those little circles on the bottom? Those are different menu options. So we're going to push right. And you're going to go a few of them over. There it is. And then we're going to push OK. Push and hold OK to reset. And then done. Make sure your engine's off, but you have it on accessories. That just means like you hit the button once or twice. And then when it lights up, but the engine doesn't start. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope this video helped you out. If you could give me a sub, that would be great. See you next video.